Hello and welcome students. So we are in the third category of kinds of state. So we have completed the sovereign states, the not fully sovereign states, and now we are covering the not typical states. So under the kinds of states, this is the third and last kinds of state. So what are the not typical states? Few states which are those sovereign are not like sovereign states. They seems to be independent states, but even then they are not independent or sovereign. Why is that? Because they have certain peculiarities of their own and are therefore different from the typical sovereign states. So how they differ, we will understand. First among them is the Holy See. The Holy See is a small sovereign state having land territory of about half square kilometer and population of about 1000 composed of persons residing therein by virtue of their office, that is occupation. Before the year 1870, the Pope was the monarch of the so-called Papal States and was equal to all other monarchs, including the Holy See. So, the Pope, as we know, he is the head of the Roman Catholic Church. He was the monarch of all the so-called Papal States, including Holy See. Okay, in 1870, Italy, that is again the Holy See, the Italy, all those territories are in Europe. So, in 1870, Italy annexed the Papal State. However, the international significance of the Pope as the head of the Roman Catholic Church was continued. That is, the all these European states are Christian countries, so they have given the respect to the Pope, and they have continued that the Pope is the head of the Roman Catholic Church, and it was something, the idea that the Pope should remain as an ordinary citizen of Italy was not appreciated. The Italian Parliament, what they did is, due to the respect towards the Pope, in 1871 they enacted an act regarding the guarantees granted to the Pope and the Holy See, which is commonly called the Law of the Guarantee. Law of Guarantee. Since 1929, Vatican City, the seat of the Pope, has been recognized as an independent state. So they declared Vatican City to be the seat of the Pope and has recognized as an independent state, a sovereign state, within the city of Rome under the Lateran Treaty concluded between Italy and the Holy See. Vatican City possesses the juristic capacity in the sense that he could exchange the diplomatic missions due to the religious matters and could enter into treaties with states usually called concordats. Those relations were in terms of the Christianity, religion, and again there were some treaties with states usually called concordats. The Holy See possesses an international personality despite being a very small state. So we can say it is not typically a sovereign state. It has diplomatic relations with 166 nations, 69 of which have permanent diplomatic missions in the Vatican City. The Vatican is represented at the United Nations as an observer, though it cannot vote, for being a sovereign state and not a typical sovereign state. It is a party to many international treaties and is a member of the Universal Postal Union, the International Telecommunication Union, Food and Agriculture Organization, and International Atomic Energy Agency. It is a signatory to the Non-Proliferation Treaty and since 1997 a member of the World Trade Organization. The international personality of the Holy See is based on the fact that the internal legal order of the Church is not derived from any state or other subjects of international law and is therefore sovereign. It is having its own laws and which is followed by all the Christian nations. So it has been given the international personality. So this was the first part of our not typical sovereign states.